How to set up vocal shortcuts for iPhone in iOS 18. Let's get started. Did you know that iOS 18 takes voice control to a whole new level? With vocal shortcuts, you can now perform tasks faster and hands-free, from sending text to launching apps. Here's everything you need to know. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Accessibility. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under Speech, you will find the option of Vocal Shortcuts. Click on that option. Now click on the option Set up Vocal Shortcuts. You'll choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. Click on Continue. Now here, choose an action. Add a speakable phrase that is unique to this action to run it. Once you type in, click on Go. Once you spell out the phrase, your action will be ready. Now I can click on Continue. You can see that I have set a vocal shortcut to mute the notification. You can set up these shortcuts for anything: launching apps, adjusting settings, sending preset messages, or even automating a series of action. The best part, you can personalize these phrases so they are easy to remember. So this is how you can easily set up vocal shortcuts for iPhone in iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.